please.
This will be a week like you have not had before in your lives. You're going to be told where to go, when to be there, what to do when you get there. You give away your watch, your iPhone, your music. You're not going to have any time to yourself. None.
This is New Cadet Week, where all the new cadets, incoming freshmen, are coming to train. New Cadet Week is usually about a week long, a week before the academic year starts.
It allows for rising freshmen to get acquainted with what the Corps is all about. Because they are coming from their own personal lives and such, there needs to be a sense of discipline that's instilled within them. So New Cadet Week is getting them acquainted with military bearings, standards, how to move expeditiously to one task to another. There's just like so much discipline that's instilled within these rising freshmen so they can maintain their student life and the military life at the same time.
I remember being absolutely terrified of my cadre, but they also really helped me and encouraged me a lot. So while I was terrified, I also knew that they were going to help me and get me through the week, because a lot of things happen at once. You're getting a lot of information and it's just hard to process it.
New Cadet Week was an experience, I'll say that for a fact. When I came in and entered through Torgerson Hall, everything was an immediate shock. There was just so much going on at the same time. It was sensory overload, but because they overloaded me, I started getting comfortable with the feeling of being uncomfortable, and that's what New Cadet Week really taught me.
You're gonna mess up, you're gonna make mistakes. It's how you handle those mistakes that really define you as a person.
You can't complete New Cadet Week unless you work together as a team. You need to look to the left and to the right of you and realize that your brothers and sisters in arms are here to help you out. You cannot do it alone.
Go, boy, go! Go, boy, go!
A lot of people come with an individual mindset. Today we are at the Oak Course. You are trying to build your confidence as a team. You want to work together as a team because that is a big skill that you need in the military.
I believe that strength through unity is something that the regiment as a whole needs to embody.
The pass and review marks the formal ending of New Cadet Week. Speaking to all the members of the class of 2027, the staff and cadre have been tremendously impressed by your dedication and hard work. Well done.